In the matter of Corliss Garland versus Jimmy Garland, file number 24-52047. DO, that matter is being adjourned without a date. I believe Ms. Adams has just set a date. Ms. Underwood, I'm going to close the room and bring your client back in the matter of Lisa Coopshaw versus Joseph Spresser. You should be coming back. All right, so Ms. Underwood, we are back on the record. Have you had an opportunity to speak with Mr. Spresser?
I have, Your Honor.
And there's a failure to appear and a failure to pay.
Your Honor, Mr. Spresser at this time has kind of been going through a rough period. He doesn't currently have a job. He's looking. He's also got disability paperwork he's filling out. Mr. Spresser, how do you want to plead today to the failure to appear and the failure to pay child support?
Well, like I told you, I had to wait over a month to get paid. Ms. Anselm, I don't know if you remember last time I came to court and I was just starting that job. It was over a month before I filled out new hire paperwork or got paid. And my employer told me that my caseworker at the front of court never returned their phone call. And I kind of feel like that's why my wages didn't get garnished. So that's kind of affecting why I'm here, you know, why a payment also wasn't made.
Your Honor, I guess we'll set this for a hearing.
Okay, Mr. Spresser, are you, let me look here. You got picked up on something else though, didn't you? Let me see here. It shows you had a bench warrant for failure to appear ×2 with Judge Shadler. Have you been seen by Judge Shadler this morning?
I have gotten no paperwork on anything for any court appearance.
Well, I'm not, okay. So, Miss Underwood, it also looks like he's got a case down there. I can set this for a hearing and bring Mr. Bruggeman in and the caseworker. Miss Adams, do we have, I don't know when we have something available. So what I'm gonna do is, Miss Adams, could I see the book?
Sure.
So Miss Underwood, I can set this for 3:10 today for 20-minute front of the court trial, if you'd like.
And
Get
when
Mr.
would that be,
Bruggeman
Your
in,
Honor?
or I can set it for that would be the only time I could set it for this week, because I'm gone the next 2 days. But I could do 3:10 today if we can get Mr. Bruggeman. That'll give us 20 minutes.
3:10 today?
Yeah, if
That's
you're
fine.
available.
That's fine.
All right, so Mr. Spresser, we'll bring you back at 3:10 today. And I'll get the prosecutor here on that. And that'll be for 20 minutes and we'll do a hearing on this, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you. And Miss Adams will contact Mr. Bruggeman's office. Thank you. You're all set, Mr. Spresser. All right, Miss Underwood, the next one I have is hold on, we're waiting for Carissa. Carissa seems to be, oh, she's joining on a separate device. Mr. Ingraham, hold on, we'll be right with you. Can you hear me, Mr. Ingraham?
Just the
Okay, that's probably something with your device, or turn up your volume. All right, we are back on the record in the matter of Carissa Luma versus Alexander Ingraham, file number 2013-39357 DP. Mr. Ingraham had requested counsel. Ms. Underwood is here to represent him. So I'm going to open up a breakout room for both of you to join to have a discussion. So go ahead and join that breakout room.
Judge, I just sent you a message. I don't know if you have your phone.
Well, it's got to be heard today, so maybe they can get someone to fill in. Because I can't leave them in jail a week on that. So maybe Alexander Bayonetto or somebody will fill in. What are you here on? Oh, McGowan. And let me close that breakout room, bring them back. Hold on, he's coming back. All right, so where to go? Mr. Ingraham, go ahead and start your audio again and video, please.
Sorry, now I can hear you a lot better than the last time.
Okay, good. Miss Underwood, have you had a chance to speak with Mr. Ingraham?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and how would you like to proceed?
Your Honor, Mr. Ingraham is going to, I believe, start working at Metal Technologies in Auburn, Indiana. He should start training within the next couple weeks. That would be a third shift factory job. I would ask that we put this out for 2 to 3 weeks to give Mr. Ingraham the time to finalize that and to get the information to the front of the court. And then he can start working, get payments done through income withholding, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Ingraham, a couple things. You need to have full-time employment. You need to support your children.
Yes, ma'am.
When you start working, check your paycheck every week or bi-weekly. And if
Yes.
they did not take the payment out, you need to make the payment.
To make,
And
yes,
until
ma'am.
they start taking it out, you make the payment. But you need to pay extra because you need to pay down your arrearage, which frankly, in 2 months will be at the felony level. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
So 50, $100 extra every single month towards your arrearage is required. I'm going to give you an opportunity. I'm going to adjourn this to November 18 just to monitor that. And then, but Mr. Ingraham, if you aren't making payments, I am going to make you come in person. And if you don't, then I will issue a bench warrant. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
So bare minimum, you're ordered to pay $579 a month. Which comes down to about $158 a week with $50 extra per month. But you should pay a little bit more if you can. So that's $157 a week or $158 a week that you need to pay if they don't take it out of your check. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is
Okay.
that date, Your Honor?
November 18 at 8 a.m.
November 18 at 8 a.m.
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you all. Thank you for your patience this morning. Thank you.
Thank you.
And I believe Ms. Underwood, that will take care of our morning. So we'll see you back today at 2:10.
And Your Honor,
Yes.
I'll come here first.